Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about present, past and participle form of verbs. Finish, finished, finished. Finish, finished, finished. Forbid, forbid, forbidden. Forbid, forbid, forbidden. Foretell, foretold, foretold. Foretell, foretold, foretold. Favor, favored, favored. Favor, favored, favored. Flash, flashed, flashed. Flash, flashed, flashed. Neat, knitted, knitted. Neat, knitted, knitted. Kill, killed, killed. Kill, killed, killed. Kick, kicked, kicked. Kick, kicked, kicked. Kiss, kissed, kissed. Kiss, kissed, kissed. Knock, knocked, knocked. Knock, knocked, knocked. Remove, removed, removed. Remove, removed, removed. Relax, relaxed, relaxed. Relax, relaxed, relaxed. Remake, remade, remade. Remake, remade, remade. Rattle, rattled, rattled. Rattle, rattled, rattled. Return, returned, returned. Return, returned, returned. Accept, accepted, accepted. Accept, accepted, accepted. Abide, abode, abode. Abide, abode, abode. Apply, applied, applied. Apply, applied, applied. Arrest, arrested, arrested. Arrest, arrested, arrested. Assort, assorted, assorted. Assort, assorted, assorted.